Do you dream of seeing your odometer roll past that magic 200,000-mile mark? Maybe even 250,000 or 300,000. It's totally possible, but it doesn't happen by accident. Today, I'm sharing 8 crucial ways to extend the life of your car, keeping it reliable and on the road for years and miles to come. Stick around, because these tips could save you thousands. And hey, before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more car maintenance tips. Now, alright, let's break down these culprits, from the simple to the more serious. Number 1. Stick to a regular maintenance schedule. Think of your car like your own body, it needs regular checkups to stay in good shape. One of the most important things you can do to help your car live beyond 200,000 miles is to follow the manufacturer's maintenance schedule. This means regular oil changes, checking and replacing air filters, spark plugs, timing belts, and fluids like transmission, coolant, and brake fluids. When you skip these routine services, small problems can snowball into expensive repairs. Oil, especially, acts like the lifeblood of your engine. Let it get too dirty or low, and you're looking at long-term damage. Also, don't ignore those service lights on your dashboard. They're not just for decoration, they're your car's way of asking for attention. Regular maintenance might feel like a hassle or a money drain at times, but it pays off by keeping your car running smoother for longer. Treat your car well, and it will return the favor with extra years of service. Number 2. Use quality parts and fluids. When it comes to replacements, using cheap or off-brand parts might save money now, but they could cost you dearly down the line. Just like feeding your body junk food every day can hurt your health. Feeding your car with low-quality oil or parts can reduce its lifespan. Always choose parts that meet or exceed OEM, original equipment manufacturer, standards. That includes oil filters, brake pads, transmission fluid, and even wiper blades. Subpar fluids may not protect your engine or transmission properly, leading to faster wear and eventual breakdowns. Also, high-quality parts tend to fit better, last longer, and perform more reliably under stress. Investing in quality now means fewer unexpected trips to the mechanic later. Think long-term. If your goal is 200,000 miles and beyond, don't cut corners with what goes under the hood. Number 3. Drive smoothly and responsibly. Your driving habits have a huge impact on your car's longevity. Rapid acceleration, sudden braking, and speeding may feel thrilling, but they take a toll on your vehicle over time. Driving smoothly helps your engine, transmission, and brakes last longer. Think of it like exercise. Gentle, consistent activity is healthier than short bursts of intense strain. If you're always flooring the gas pedal or slamming on the brakes, you're adding unnecessary stress to your car's systems. Also, cold starts in winter? Let the car idle for a bit to warm up, especially in older models. Avoid overloading your car with too much weight or towing more than it can handle. All of these small things add up. A smooth, mindful driver can squeeze out many more miles than someone who drives their car like it's in a race every day. Number 4. Keep your car clean, inside and out. This might surprise some folks, but cleanliness isn't just about looking good, it's about preserving your vehicle. Dirt, salt, and road grime can build up on your car's body and undercarriage, especially in places with winter roads or lots of dust. Left alone, they cause rust, which slowly eats away at metal parts. Washing your car regularly, especially during winter or after off-road drives, prevents corrosion. The same goes for the interior. Crumbs, spills, and trash can attract pests or cause mold if left unchecked. Vacuum and clean the cabin from time to time. Leather seats last longer with conditioning, and rubber mats help preserve your carpet. A clean car also tends to get more attention from its owner. You're more likely to notice leaks, weird smells, or changes when you're engaged with your vehicle. So grab that hose or vacuum and show your car a little love. Number 5. Pay attention to warning signs early. Cars usually give you clues when something's wrong: strange noises, new smells, or a change in how it drives. The key is not to ignore these signs. A knocking noise in the engine, a soft brake pedal, or fluid puddles under the car might seem minor at first. But they often point to bigger problems brewing. The earlier you catch them, the cheaper and easier they are to fix. Waiting too long could lead to a breakdown or costly repairs that could have been avoided. Trust your senses. If it doesn't feel, sound, or smell right, get it checked. Modern cars also flash dashboard lights like the check engine or ABS light. Take those seriously. Diagnostic scans are relatively cheap and can save you thousands in repairs. Remember, it's not paranoia, it's prevention. Catching issues early is a big part of hitting that 200,000-mile goal. Number 6. Rotate your tires and keep them properly inflated. Tires are often overlooked, but they're your car's only contact with the road. Keeping them in good shape protects your suspension, improves fuel efficiency, and helps your car drive more smoothly. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles to ensure even wear. And always keep them inflated to the recommended pressure. Underinflated tires can overheat and wear out faster, while overinflated ones reduce traction and comfort. Improper tire maintenance also strains your suspension and alignment, leading to uneven wear on other parts. Plus, well-maintained tires help you brake better and reduce the risk of accidents. Consider getting your wheels aligned once a year or whenever you notice uneven tread wear or your car pulling to one side. This small attention to your tires goes a long way in protecting the bigger, more expensive parts of your car. Number 7. Don't skip battery and electrical system checks. Your battery and electrical system may not be flashy, but they power everything from ignition to lights to your infotainment system. As cars become more reliant on electronics, keeping the battery and electrical connections in good condition is essential. A failing battery doesn't just mean trouble starting the car, it can also lead to voltage fluctuations that harm sensitive electronics. Check your battery regularly, especially in extreme weather. Cold and heat both shorten battery life. Clean off corrosion from terminals and ensure the cables are tightly connected. If your lights are dim or your car hesitates to start, get the battery tested. Most auto shops do it for free. Also, don't overload your system with too many aftermarket devices. A healthy battery and charging system are like your car's nervous system. When it's working right, everything else flows better. Number 8. Store your car properly when not in use. If you're not using your car daily, maybe you work from home or travel often, it's still important to store it properly. Cars don't like sitting idle for long periods. Fluids settle, tires lose pressure, and batteries drain. Over time, seals can dry out. And rust can form. If you're storing it for more than a few weeks, make sure it's parked in a shaded or covered area to avoid sun damage. Use a car cover if you don't have a garage. Keep the tank at least half full to prevent moisture buildup, and consider using a fuel stabilizer if it'll sit for months. Disconnecting the battery or using a trickle charger also helps keep the battery from dying. Starting the car and letting it run for 15 to 20 minutes every week or two keeps the fluid circulating and parts lubricated. A little care during idle time helps avoid big problems later. It takes a little diligence, but the payoff is a reliable car that serves you well for many, many miles, saving you a ton of money in the long run. You can do this. What's the highest mileage car you've ever owned? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.